Meaning of full size.
Full size.
Full size.
Full size.
Full size. The term full size refers to a product or object that is considered to be the largest and most complete version of its kind. For example, a full-size bed is larger than a twin or queen bed, and a full-size car is larger than a compact or mid-size car. When something is described as full size, it implies that it is the standard size for that particular category or type of item. In general, full-size products offer more space, comfort, and functionality than smaller versions, making them a popular choice for many consumers.